Building an IoT project usually starts on a breadboard, but once you move to a field-ready device, the hardware becomes vulnerable. Exposed boards and dangling batteries are common pain points for any developer working with LoRa WAN modules. If you are using the Heltec WiFi LoRa 32v4, you might be looking for a way to house your project properly. This expansion shell kit is designed specifically to provide that extra layer of protection and organization your board needs. What stands out here is that it is built with the V4 board in mind. It acts as a dedicated housing that keeps your internal components safe from dust and accidental bumps while you are testing your network range or data transmission. One of the most useful features is the space provided for a battery. Managing power leads can be tricky, but this shell helps keep everything contained, reducing the risk of loose connections that could interrupt your data logging. It is not just about looks, it is about longevity. By enclosing the board, you are shielding the sensitive electronics from the environment, which is essential if your LoRa project is meant to run unattended for long periods. With over 300 units already in the hands of other makers, it seems to be a popular choice for those wanting a cleaner build. The high satisfaction rate suggests it fits the hardware as intended for most users. Before you commit, take a moment to verify your specific battery dimensions and connector type. Since this is an expansion shell, ensure your setup doesn't require extra clearance that the case might not provide. At the current price point of roughly $3.63, which reflects a significant discount from its original cost, it is a very affordable upgrade for your hardware setup, especially if you have multiple nodes to deploy. This shell is a solid, practical option for anyone moving from the breadboard stage to a more permanent IoT deployment. It keeps your workspace tidy and your project safe from the occasional mishap. Before treating kit expansion shell Heltec as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are interested in cleaning up your build, I suggest checking the latest specs and comparing the variants at the link below to see if it matches your specific project requirements. Kit expansion shell Heltec appears as an option in the measurement and analysis instruments space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim.